An industry product. Well, I think type designers will have far more chances to, to develop typographic solutions that have more embedded knowledge. So in a way, variable fonts for end users mean more flexibility, but also they allow the type designer to kind of encode more intelligence. The best example is the optical size axis. If I design my font to look right in small size and big size, and that's really tied to the point size, so the user doesn't really have to do any special things to change these masters. It will just happen and it will work wonderfully. So basically, the type designers have more, freedom or control, not necessarily control, but kind of a chance to recommend better use and encode that information, that recommendation right in the font, so the end user will get better typography without doing anything. A small type foundries, I think they do, because the variable fonts bring a kind of a chance for more innovation, and innovation often happens with smaller teams, because they don't necessarily have to deal with the question of how do I convert our 2,000 font families into variable fonts. They can take on sort of individual projects and come up with really ways to make variable fonts, each single variable font slightly different, to really kind of fit this new format to the design goals of a specific project. So I think they will be quite amazing, just like fonts developed by smaller foundries, open type fonts with complex contextual alternates, things like that. They've been fantastic, like the stuff that House Industries did some years ago. I think larger foundries never really got to that level of sort of dedication and beauty and attention to detail, because they had to tackle hundreds of projects at the same time. Only one font, Georgia by Matthew Carter. I could basically just set everything in Georgia and I'll be fine.